Right, this is where we're going to make the questions a little more complicated. Using averages, there might be mean, median, mode, range, or any of those four. And what we do is we use our knowledge of how to calculate various averages to compare different data, different information. For example, we've got hotel, hotel 1 and hotel 2. Hotel 2. And we're going to do uh, a review on um, the staff, the price, and the food, something like that, yeah. And we've sent out some questionnaires, and people fill these things, and they give them marks out of 10. So a bit like that Four in a Bed program on the TV, but star. So we get 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10, and 6 out of 10. And Hotel 2 is 7, 5, and 4. So you're going to look at these numbers and decide by using averages which is the best. So we could use the mean for hotel 1. So we would do 8 plus 7 plus 6 divided by 3, and the mean for hotel 2 would be 7 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 3. So what's that? 15, 21 divided by 3. Oh, that's nice. That comes out as 7. And 12, 16 divided by 3. 3 fives, 15 with 1 over, and 3 threes, 9. I think it's going to be 5.3. Let's do that on the calculator so that I don't. 5 point, 16 divided by 3, 5.3. Yeah, it's 5.3333, right? So this one has the best average as far as the mean is concerned. Yeah, so we can use the mean. We could use the range for hotel 1 and the range for hotel 2. The range for hotel 1 is the difference, so 8 minus 6 equals 2. And the range for hotel 2 is 7 minus 4, which equals 3. Now, this range is smaller, and when the range is smaller, it means it's more consistent. Yeah? It might be that it's consistently bad. It doesn't, so it doesn't really tell us too much. The median, we could use the median for hotel 1, which is the middle number, which, oh, they're nice, they're all in order, aren't they? So the middle number there is 7, and the median for hotel 2 is 5. So again, this one's the best median. So we can either use mode. There is no mode for any of them, so we don't need to work any of that out. Yeah. So you can use mean or median, which is the most useful, and you will find that when you get politicians come on the TV and tell you about this, that, and the other, they will swap between mean and median at will uh, to create an impression of the best number. Yeah. Here the median and the see the mean of hotel 2 is 5.3 and the median of hotel 2 is 5. So if you wanted to um, create the best possible statistic for Hotel 2, you would use that, wouldn't you? Use 5.3. You think, oh, that looks good. 5.3 does seem better than 5, but it's a completely different way of working it out. Yeah, so that's the sort of thing there. So when we could have another one if you're, say, I don't know, you're looking at the workforce, yeah? The workforce, and you're looking at sick days. And you look at January, and you pick out 10 people, oh no, let's do fewer, 5 people at random to see how many sick days they had in January. And you went 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And then you went to June and went 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So you could say that let's do January mean, where we add them all up together. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 5. 9 divided by 5, 1.8. So you've got a mean average of 1.8 sick days in January, and the June mean would be 2 divided by 5, which is 0.4. So you can say that, yeah, you're going to, on average, we've got more sick days in January than we would in June, probably because everybody's got a cold and don't want to go to work because it's dark and things like this. So yeah, you can use the mean. I wonder whether you could use the January median to do the same sort of thing. January median. Now the median is the middle number, so we go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. The middle number is 2, and the June median, we put them in order, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and the June median is 0, which is a bit false, isn't it? Because we did have some sick days, so it's still, the January comes out higher than the June. Right, so let's have a look at some of these in action. So it's more involved, more involved. So Jen wants to go on holiday with her husband. The table below shows prices of 4 different travel companies. What's the range and mean cost of a 3-day package from the 4 companies? A 3-day package. So we're going to do the range first, which is the largest of this, 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 and this. So we've got 597 minus smallest is 479. So 597 minus 479 is 118 pounds. Pounds I think there. And the mean is we're going to add them up. 580 plus 597 plus 479 plus 560 and divide everything by 4. So this is where we get lots of typing in. 597 plus 479 plus 560, that equals 2216. I divide that by 4 and it's 554 equals 554. Now destination city here don't offer 4-day packages. What is the range and mean of cost of a 4-day package from the other 3 companies? So we've got to do exactly the same again, but this time we're going to only do divide by 3. Remember, this is not 0, this is doesn't count. So the range is the biggest one, which is 730. Take away the smallest one, which is 635, and that's £95. And the mean is going to be 635 plus 675 plus 730, and this time we just divide by 3. So 635 plus 675 plus 730 equals 2040 divided by 3 is 680. Now, Jen thinks that Flywell offer cheaper holidays than City Escapes. Is she right? So what we've got to do is find the average of these, the mean city holes. City holes, City Escapes. So Flywell. So we're going to do 580 plus 635 and divide that by 2 equals, let's come down a bit, and City Escapes is going to be 560 plus 730, it's a big number, divide that by 2, and see what they come out at, yeah? So 580 plus 635 equals, divide by 2 equals 607, 607 and 50 pence on the end. Now the other ones are 560 plus 730 equals, divide by 2 equals 645. 645. So what was the question? Jen thinks that Flywell offered cheaper holidays than City Escapes. Yes, she is right. Yeah. Right. Are the prices more consistent for a 3-day package holiday or a 4-day package holiday? Explain how you know. So this has got to be, the range tells you the consistency. Yeah, consistent. The smaller the range, the more consistent. So the range of the 4-day holiday, so the 4-day is 118 and the 3-day is 95. So are the prices more consistent for 3-day than for 4-day? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Because range is smaller. Alright? Alright, so pause, now we go at all these things. So let's have a look at this. So Joan is the manager of a shop with 75 employees. She's looking at how long her employees have taken off work as holiday. So far, she chooses 7 employees at random and writes down how many hours of a holiday they've taken. So there's the 7 hours. Use the mean number of hours of holiday for all these employees to estimate the total number of hours of holiday taken so far this year. Right, so estimate the total number of hours of holiday taken per person by all of Joan's employees. Joan has got 75 employees. Right, so first of all we've got to work out the mean. So we need to do 144 plus 117 plus 112 plus 93 plus 150 plus 51 plus 75 and divide all of that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's find out what that is. 4 plus 117 plus 112 plus 93 plus 150 plus 51 plus 75. That lot equals 742. Divide by 7, which equals 106. So the mean number of hours per person is 106. Now, there are 75, so we need to find all of Joan's employees. So we take 106, sorry, got muddled up there, times 75 people, which equals 7,950 hours. Why would you want to find that out? I don't know, but that's it. Now, each employee is allowed to take 150 hours of holiday. Use the median this time of the number above to estimate the total number of hours left to be taken by all Jones employees. Now the median is the middle, so we need to take these numbers and put them in order. So I'm going to go 51, 75, 93. Slow but steady wins the race. 112, 117, 144, and 150. So n plus 1 divided by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. So that's the position. So we count in 4 from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. So 112 is the median, the middle value. Now you're allowed to take 150 hours of holiday, and we've got to work out how many left. So we simply do 150 minus 112 is 38 hours left. Good. Oh, there you go. That's it. All gone. Right, so that's the mean, mode, median, and all the rest of it. Okay, so now we'll use the same kind of calculation of averages in the next one. We'll move on to tables. Okay, see you in the next.